Let's dive into DevOps, a game-changing methodology that can really boost your tech career. If you're curious about why this is the time to enroll in our DevOps course, keep watching. So, what is DevOps? Simply put, it's a blend of development and operations. This approach enhances teamwork and automation, making software delivery faster and more efficient. Some key concepts include CI/CD, continuously integrating and deploying code, plus using tools like Jenkins and Docker to streamline processes. By embracing infrastructure as code and regular feedback loops, companies can ensure high-quality systems that adapt to user needs. You might wonder why there's such a buzz about DevOps nowadays. Well, the demand for these skills has skyrocketed. In fact, DevOps roles have grown by a remarkable 40% just in the last 2 years. Plus, average salaries hover around $100,000, with top firms like Google and Amazon on the lookout for talented individuals. So, why should you learn DevOps? It offers amazing benefits like career flexibility, job security, and hands-on experience with essential tools. Whether you're a developer, system admin, or a complete beginner, having DevOps skills makes you an attractive candidate in today's job market. At Educamly, our DevOps course is tailored for real-world applications. You'll gain practical skills with tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins, all through engaging projects that build your portfolio. Expect over 40 hours of content, hands-on labs, and dedicated mentorship to guide you every step of the way. Ready to kickstart your DevOps journey? Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create your own opportunities. Enroll now at educamly.com and become job ready in no time. Let's turn your dreams into reality.